your light and hold it in our hearts. When stars go out each night, let this be our prayer. When shadows fill our day,
lead us to a place.
guide us with your grace. Give us faith so we